Welcome back to another video. Today I have 4-channel dash camera. It is giving you 360-degree protection all around. Let's take it out and see what we have inside the box. Here is the first look. It is very smooth. IR LED lights right there in the screen. The front camera. These are the rest of the items. Let's go ahead and check it out one by one. Here is the user manual. There are some additional items over there. You can directly get the electricity from the fuse box. That's awesome. You don't have to use the car cigarette lighter charger. Anyway, the second option, if you don't want to use the fuse box, you can directly get it from the car cigarette lighter charger. This is USB-C. Here is the backup camera. This is also adjustable. These are the items in the mount and the tool. You can just open some areas on the car, then put the cables in it. This is USB-A to USB-C, two-sided tape. This is extra. We have already here. We're gonna use this. And also we have static sticker. We're gonna put this on the car, and then we're just gonna go ahead and tape it right there, and it's not gonna damage the car. Before we install, I'm just gonna show you some details. There is an SD card right there, USB-C input. This is the electricity. It's gonna get it from the car cigarette lighter charger or the fuse box. I'm gonna use this, and then let's put the backup camera. Here is the backup camera. We're just gonna go ahead and put this right there. We have also some buttons over here. Reset, turn on and off, previous, menu, next, okay, and microphone. I'm not gonna use this, but this is very important if you don't want to use car cigarette lighter charger. And this is gonna be OEM parts. And I think we are done. We are ready to install it. Go ahead and plug it. I put the backup camera already. Let's see the first reaction. It is asking me to choose the language. Let's continue. English. I need to format the SD card. Resolution. I'm gonna choose 1440p and 720p, 1080p. Recording time 1 minute to 5 minutes. Video sound, yes. Mirror, interior, lens mirroring, screensaver, preview mode, volume, right IR light, gravity sensing, language, time sensing, format. Yes, formatting. Just formatted successfully. Let's go back. And when we check it out, here is the driver side right there, and here is the passenger side right there. I'm just gonna put it right there. I'm gonna put it like this, and this is the front, and that's the backup camera. Let me go ahead and check it out if it's in the correct direction or not. Now it's not correct. Let me go ahead and change it. Now it's in the correct direction, and we can go ahead and maybe we can move it a little bit down. Now we're okay. Everything is good. Let's go check it out. I'm on the road right now. Later on, I'm gonna check it out how it records front and back. I hope my sound is okay. Let me go ahead and close the windows. You can adjust the camera however you like, and also you can change the cameras. Here is the backup camera. It is very clean and inside, and this is passenger side, and this is the driver side. Here is all the cameras, and I'm gonna show you the recordings and continue. This is very smooth, recording perfectly. backup camera, front camera, passenger camera, and driver camera. When you turn off the IR lights, you can see it like that. It records everything. That's why I like it. I can definitely suggest this product. I'm gonna take it out, basically. Just pull it up and take it. And you can just put it in the same way. That's it. It's easy. Let me go ahead and close the windows.